Microwave ovens are used in radars, communication, and for heating in microwave ovens.
Microwaves are good for transmitting information from one place to another.
Microwave ovens cause water and fat molecules to vibrate, which makes the substances hot.
Mobile phones use microwaves as they can be generated by a small antenna. Is usually a couple of centimeters. Stars also give off microwaves.
Its EM spectrum, you already know, starting from the waves with largest wavelengths and larger energy consists of waves.
7 types of waves are radio, microwaves, infrared, visible light, X-rays, gamma rays, and ultraviolet.
Microwaves are treated separately from radio waves. In fact, they are just radio signals of a very short wavelength.
Colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet made me remember by memorizing the name of that fine fellow Roy G. Biv.